Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy soda. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need some fluffy cotton candy, your favorite sparkling water or clear soda, and a tall glass. Having a spoon handy for mixing will also be helpful. Selecting a cotton candy flavor you love will make your soda extra special and perfectly suited to your taste. Now, let's get to the fun part. Take a small, fluffy piece of cotton candy and gently place it into the bottom of your glass. Next, pour just a splash of your sparkling water directly over the cotton candy. You'll see it magically melt away almost instantly, transforming into a vibrant, sweet syrup right before your eyes. With your cotton candy syrup ready, it's time to complete your drink. Slowly fill the rest of your glass with sparkling water, leaving a little room at the top. Gently stir the mixture to fully combine the sweet syrup with the fizzy water. Taste it, and if you prefer it sweeter, simply add another small piece of cotton candy to dissolve. Your delicious cotton candy soda is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, consider garnishing your drink with a fresh fruit slice, like a lemon or lime, or even a small piece of candy. Serve it immediately to savor the delightful fizz and sweet flavor. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.